Never show the IRS that I'm making any money.
Okay.
When you get your first job and you're making 200 grand, your goal is to get that 200 grand to 11,000 bucks.
How do you do that?
Your taxes on this is going to be 1,100.
Right.
I want to spend $189,000 on goods and services that could help me make more money next year because I'm never paying the IRS.
All them gems just went right over your head, didn't it? We'll share and save this video so you and your kids can avoid them taxes too. Legally, of course. Grant Cardone's taking advantage of what a lot of rich folks do. Playing the numbers to make sure that no money made from their business is lost to unnecessary taxes. And instead put it to more well-built assets. And honestly, you can do the exact same thing. Even if your business is small and just started. Hey, these tax loopholes for everybody. Don't feel no shame, no shame. Just get a business. Make money from that business. Use that money to pay for an asset for that business. Examples being a cell phone, car, or even a real estate property. These purchases can be made and then added to your adjusted gross income for your business. When it's the time to report tax, instead of the full year-end dollar amount, you can instead report what is left after expenses and get taxed on that. I know I lost some of y'all there, so don't worry. I'm gonna slow it down. Let's say you have a business that makes $100,000 at the end of the year. Business is good, ain't it? Before you report, you take $70,000 out of that and put it into a property or two. Let's say for more office space to house all the dogs that you plan to sign on as security employees. And I'm not kidding. Check that video out right here if you haven't already. So now you have $30,000 left over after necessary business expenses. When you go to report, some would think you get taxed on the full $100,000, but in actuality, as a legally recognized business, you're going to be taxed on the net profit you make after expenses. So instead of being taxed on $100K, you're instead just taxed on the $30K. They say rich folks don't pay their fair share, when in reality, they're just using the system as intended. So what you finna do? Share and say this video. You believe.